Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to see you once again in today's new video. So today I'll be trading with the alligator indicator again. So I've received so many comments and so many questions from you guys, and I'm always so glad to receive all these comments and all these questions, because it really helps me know that you guys really understand my trades and you guys are really finding my videos very helpful. And also I've received so many positive comments about people telling me about their results, but all of this is in my private chat in Telegram channel. So I left a link down below and I'm inviting you to join my private chat. The link down below is a link to my personal chat. Just write me with the code word money team, and then I'll be able to add you to this private chat so that you can be able also to share any comments you have about any kinds of crypto trading, or if you have any questions about crypto trading, or if you just want to see my trading signal that I post there once a day. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. So hello friends, so today I'll be trading with the alligator indicator. So this indicator is really useful. It helps you to determine price reversals in the market, and it also helps you to predict price movements. So this indicator in combination with technical analysis really gives you the best result. That's why you should always concentrate on technical analysis first and conduct it first before you can be able to use the indicator. So I'd like to show you how to open this indicator and how to use it and how to analyze it. So to activate it, you have to choose alligator from the list. You can only change the thickness of moving averages and you'll be able to see them better on the chart. So on the market, you can see 3 moving averages, which is the indicator alligator. So the signal to enter is the moment when the green moving average is crossing over, for example, from top to bottom, the second red moving average. And this moment of crossing, you can open a down trade. It signals that price will be trending down, and the same can also be said in the opposite direction. When the crossing is from bottom to top, it signals that price will be trending up, and in this moment you can also open the up trades. You can also open the trade when the crossing of moving averages has already occurred and they are moving very close to each other, and the further they diverge, it also signals one-way movement. So let me work out the first situation and show you how to use this indicator. Well, here you can observe that the price is trending to the level of resistance. There is distance to it. The indicator signals the crossing of moving averages, and it shows that price will be trending up in this case. So I'll enter the market with an up trade for 2 minutes, and this time is with the margin because there can be a pullback down or a small flat, but then price movement upwards must continue because it has the strength to go up, and you can even expect the breakout of the level. But let me wait for the results of this trade and see. Well, analyzing the situation, the price trended up, and this is the positive result here. And thanks to the indicator, I have predicted this movement. There was a breakout of the resistance level, and I've got amazing results. So let me go on and find another situation. Well, you can observe the level of support here. There is a down trade occurring right now, and the indicator signals that the price will be trending down. So I'll enter the market with a down trade here for 2 minutes, and I think here that price will resume trending towards this level and maybe break through it. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. Well, analyzing the situation, after the flat zone, the price trended down and broke through this level. And thanks to the indicator, I got my profit. So let me go and find another situation to trade on. Well, this is a support level, and this is the down trade occurring very steadily. The indicator signals the crossing of moving averages, and they are now moving further from each other. So I'll enter the market with a down trade for 2 minutes because price will resume movement to the level and maybe break through it. The situation is similar to the last one, as you can see, which goes on to show you that most situations in the market repeat themselves. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. Well, looking at this trade, the price trended down towards the level, and I've got my profit from this transaction thanks to the indicator. So let me go on and find another situation to trade on. Well, I can observe that this has been the steady uptrend. The price hit the resistance level, then pulled back down, and now it's again trending to this level, and the indicator is also showing the crossing of moving averages, as you can see, and it indicates that price will be trending up. So I'll enter the market with an up trade for 2 minutes with the margin in case of a small flat or a pullback down, and then movement upward to resume because price has strength to go up as well. So let me wait for the results of this trade and see. Well, analyzing this, price trended up and I've got a profit from this transaction. I've chosen this time correctly thanks to the indicator, and I've chosen really good entry points as well. So let me go on. Well, you can observe the level of support, and the price hit this level and then pulled back up, and after this it got in the flat zone and it was moving in this range, and right now the price is exiting this flat zone and the indicator is signaling that anytime soon there will be a trend down. So here I'll enter the market with a down trade for 2 minutes, and I think price will resume trending towards this level and break through it because price has all the strength to go down in this situation. So let me wait for the results of this trade and see. Well, analyzing the situation, price trended down to this level and I've got the profit, and this is a positive result due to the indicator that really helped me choose a very good entry point. So let me go on. So here I can observe the level of resistance. Price hit this level and then pulled back down, and after that it's again trending up. The channel price movement is going up and it's squeezing at the resistance level, and the indicator signals that anytime soon there will be a movement upwards. So I'll enter the market with an up trade for 2 minutes because I expect the price to trend up and break through this level because price has strength to go up. So let me wait and see the results of this trade and see. Well, analyzing the situation, price trended up and this is a positive result with the breakout of the level. So let me go on. So this is the level of resistance, and after the pullback down, the price is again trending up, and the general price minimum is getting higher, and the price is squeezing at this level. The indicator also signals that the price will be trending up, and I'm sure that the price will resume trending towards this level, which is why I'll enter the market with an up trade for 2 minutes. And of course a pullback is possible, but this time will be enough here. Well, analyzing the situation, after the pullback, the price trended up and I've got the profit from this transaction. The indicator really showed me a good entry point and I got very good profit. So let me go on. So here you can observe that there has been the steady uptrend. The price hit the level of resistance and then pulled back down, and now it's again trending towards this level, and the indicator signals that anytime soon there will be trend upwards. So I'm thinking I'll enter the market with an up trade for 3 minutes here because price has all the strength to go up here, and I've already worked out such situations before and they were positive. So let me wait for the results of this trade and see. Well, analyzing this trade, price trended up and this is the breakout of the level, and the result was really positive here and the time was really chosen correctly. So this situation was really worked out perfectly, and now you can see that my balance is almost $1,000. So I'd like to find the last situation to trade on for today. So this is the level of support and the price pulled back from this level, and after it is trending down. So the indicator signals that anytime soon price will be trending down. So I'll enter the market with a down trade for 2 minutes because price will likely be trending down and break through this level. But let's wait and see the results of this trade. So analyzing this trade, price trended down and I've got really positive result from this trade. So the indicator really helped me again, show me very good entry point and predict the price movement. And now as you can see, my balance is $1,700 and I think I'll stop trading here for today. I worked out all the situations well today using the alligator indicator and I'm very glad. So as you noticed that this indicator only works well with technical analysis, because technical analysis is the basis first and I was carrying it out fast. And also you notice that most situations really repeat themselves in the market, so it makes it easier for you to be able to find a similar situation to practice on. So if you have any questions about technical analysis, alligator indicator or any other indicators, I'm ready to answer all your questions in my private chat in Telegram channel, and I'm inviting you to join this private chat. I left a link down below. The link down below is a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word money team, and then I'll be able to add you to this private chat, and you can be able to ask all your questions. You can be able to talk with the other members of the group, and also I post their trading signals once a day. So thank you so much for watching this channel. I'm really glad, I'm really happy to see you guys watching this channel and commenting down below. Don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to hit that notification button so that you can be notified when there's a new video up. So until next time, bye bye.